So, hi all learners. See, if you are using this platform and analyzing that, suppose you are planning for a next month or some company you are studying, market condition you are studying. So, how one should approach? If you look at market breadth, many ask that, what is market breadth? I just want to know. So, in market breadth, we stated that 55 and above is a grade level. In that particular time, see, in market, exit is more important than entry. You are taking entry, it is fine. But you are not closing your position. You are losing your profit. Is also in short term, it is a crime. If you know that, okay, no, you are sitting on a long term, there will be a lot of volatility and it is part of the journey, then it is fine. And you need to assess all the big investor who invest. They invest at an early trend. It's not bull or bear market. They look at where the achieve valuation, new things are happening. So as of now, those options are very less. In 2021, 22, 2020, it was a different scenario. Market was cheap. Then government has announced so many tailwind things for defense, railway. We have seen all those power revamp, and still it is going on. But many of the thing already factored in, and now only EPS expansion is pending. PE expansion is done. Now we may see certain inflection point on a data center, AI related thing, power related things, new defense tender, new things for EPS earning. That market is looking either stable business with EPS earning or undiscovered. That means you need to try more on your research. Earlier it was Tex Mackerel, JWL, Titagar Bogan. So whatever you want to take, everything has given you return. Now you need to pick and choose that which is having a good future. That time you choose anything you will get. Somewhere it is 5x, somewhere it is 8x. So that is why whenever you look at a market, you need to in short to medium term, you need to always be uh, in a right direction, right side, not opinion oriented. So you need to select a right sector. So what this exactly gives you view, anything above 1,000 crore market cap. So when those 1,000 crore market cap goes above 20 EMA and 80% stocks are above 20 EMA, that time we should be cautious and very selective with the sector. And whenever it comes that below this and come in this zone, say below this rate level, it can come down to 20, 10, and that is an opportunity. You have seen that uptrend. Yeah. So what we are seeing a consolidation market was not moving. If you look at very sector specific move was happening. It is not stating you when to take complete exit. It is stating you be cautious, be selective. Now, if you just let me show you. This is 11th of yeah, say remove everything. So this is from a 8th April, and as of now, this is 11th of June. And in this 8th April, we got a cautious signal. After that, few uptrend, then it has gone on a sideways. Now, if someone has seen their portfolio, they have seen that only sector specific move we have seen, healthcare, pharma, fine, all those sectors. actually performed very well in this particular phase, or the power sector, all these things. It was coming on a sector. Now look at in this phase, this is 28th May, we are getting that we are in a green zone only. So if you look at on a 28th of 24th, 25th May, so we are here. Now, what we have seen on a 11th of June, 23,000, and then we have seen an uptrend. So if you look at where we are on 11th of June, same on 11th of June, on market has given a dip, and it is an opportunity for a short term anyone. If someone is looking at our sector, he has studied well. So now you'll see that 11th of June, stock like it has moved from a 23,100 to 24,270. So this is not the first time we are observing. I have conveyed this on our December time also, that how to look at things. So it is a fantastic thing, no, where you should trim your exposure and look for an opportunity like this, and again carry trend as per the further market driven signal. There is one famous quote, बाप बड़ा ना भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया. So similarly, in market, no opinion, no analysis is more than the price action. Price action doesn't mean technical, not even a fundamental. Price, you'll have to understand that where money is flowing first, to identify a right sector, then why that money is flowing. Being a retail, let me tell you that you may not have all options. I'm not ignoring that analysis is not right. We will be going step by step. But if you don't know the basic, and everyone will not be a good investor, some will be a good trader. They will be making better CAGR than some investor even. Investor is having some advantages and disadvantages. Like being a small retail, suppose you stuck on a jam, traffic jam, and you were waiting for a 2 hours. You are you will have to reach certain distance or somewhere in destination you want it to be. Likewise, retail who are having 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, whatever it is. So they come with a dream that they want to make money. So, and everyone is not good in research. You cannot make equity research analyst all the market participant. Even they become equity research analyst, they'll be picking many red flags from the companies, and those companies will be making money, huge return. For you, it can be a good hot topic to discuss, but end of the day, for your life, what matters? You are not doing any unethical activity in a market. You are following the market, what signal market is giving. Now, if you are prepared that why it is happening, in India, many things happen because of political connections, not because of your analysis. You have seen in the multiple ministers, their son, their relatives are making this talk. Why? Like, if they are in a post, why their people will be in somewhere listed something? It's not against anyone, but think of that if you know all those connections, there is nothing wrong that you are making money, because market is, there is nothing wrong, because law is not against of them. They can, all the tenders will go to those people who are very well linked with powerful people. It is not with this government, that government. It is a rule anywhere in the world. So that nepotism we say in film. So same thing happen in a equity market. It's no different. Whatever you analyze further, that is a different thing. How you analyze, how to you want to learn to see analyze. But there are thousand ways of making money. If someone is following Adani, he would have made a hell lot of money. A few like multiple decades back, if you look back, there was no Adani. Then suddenly Adani has emerged. Similarly, one or other person will emerge different era. So you don't have to think only in one direction. That is why what market is giving signal, we will listen to that. That should be the attitude. Then you know now. Then you go and read annual report, management discussion, analysis, and everything. Look at that very difficult business to copy. There is an entry barrier. They are getting a lot of approval. Nothing wrong in that. But geographically, if you look at where it is located, which government is ruling, if you don't connect all these things, if you don't visualize that who is having power, what can happen, so what other things can do well in short term, I'm not saying that those things are very important. Short term, look at why I have given this example to make sure that you are with the money or power. Money is what? Power. It gives you a choice to select that whether you want to travel in a train, flight, your wish. You even with money you can wish to travel in a train and not to opt for a flight. A poor may not have that any options. So why not in equity market? We get all the directions. Now point is, if you just overcomplicate things, why it is there, try to understand it is a cautious zone. We can make it 100 ways complicated, but market, it is in a sideways trend. If you look at from April to till now, it is in a sideways trend. When we got a opportunity 30th March, from 30th March, we have seen a rally. Go and check that whether from that we have got a fantastic rally. And after that, what happened? In this zone, only pharmaceutical sector, only few sectors has worked. So be selective. Next it comes, why I'm talking about money and all. So whenever you come, we have given a simple solution to all retail. See, you can see, easily understand. Again, I'm repeating that you can easily understand scope because we follow cricket. We know the score, whoever is scoring more run, they're good. They're consistently performing. Similar way, if you want to look at just s- w- like you came on a desktop and you were analyzing this thing and you want to see that what has performed. It is clear to you that Nifty Midcap 150 stocks scoring better, playing better. Next 50 is also scoring better. And whether it is overextended, whether their closing is good, whether amount change, money inflow, whether demand is coming. Yes, all the ticks, price, scoring, money flow, all together. So you, if you want to be with the performing sector, you'll be looking at something Nifty Midcap 50. Go and check where we have given a 5 day plus means how many stocks are in positive in 5 days. 99. Open this stock. So it is not a how much delivery percentage we have seen. Like it is not 2.55x of delivery of one single day. It is a sudden interest on a particular persistent system for last 5 days. Price action says 8-9%. And if you go and do a back testing, you will see that this signal we are getting for a long. Now, the point is, okay, fine, you got this data. So whether you should jump and take your trade, it is completely up to you that how you uh, think that what is your skill, whether you're a fundamental trader, whether you're a technical trader, whether you're a techno funder. I cannot push you that you become this. Whatever I follow, I see that so many people shows that what they follow. Why you'll have to follow me? You'll have to follow yourself. You'll have to be the you, not me or not someone. So we have given a simple thing to understand. Understand the demand. What will make the difference? Conviction. When you will read, I can only say that after getting all this talk, if I feel that okay, no, this is highest, I'll go and jump. Something may market may select no, market may say okay, no, 8-9%. This 8-9% change means what? Market cap expansion. Already this got a 7,000 crore expansion. Whether it deserve another 7,000 crore expansion, you need to ask because 7,000 they got. Now, whether I should select something no 33,000 extra take where some same kind of a delivery is happening, huge amount of delivery is happening. So those question, no, then what is the logic? Why you should choose? Do you know that sector? Do you have a circle of competency of all these things you need to look at? If you're not looking at all those things, you are doing your incomplete study and you are taking your own risk. I would say that go further, take one or two step forward, look at that persistent system, fine, what exactly they are doing. Say, you will see that, okay, fine, this company is uh, profit wise, they are doing good. It is IT company, so fixed asset will not be that their resource is the main assets. So you are saying operating cash flow, they generally operating cash flow will be very high. And if you see CFO PAT ratio, everything. So altogether, if you just go and do a little bit of analysis, what is the operating cash flow versus PAT? Why sales growth versus if it is a manufacturing company, then it is very meaningful. If it is a IT related businesses, you'll have to understand the context. Each sector is having a different way of reading. So then that is not a part of my walkthrough. I'll be coming with that on some fundamental sector specific, whatever I understand. Now, if you want to go on a fundamental snapshot, if you don't want to look at all this bar, you can select numbers also instead of going on a bar. If you feel that okay, no, I don't want to see. We have given you a lot of visualizations. If you can visualize that what exactly is going on, a derating is happening in this entire IT sector, and that we are observing. We have seen expansion. Now derating is going on. So everything, everywhere you are seeing a derating is going on in this. Some temporary tailwind may come. You need to analyze further. We have given a simple this visualized picture that you can see that exactly what was driving. First P was driving. Now EPS. Now, P already we have seen an expansion last 2 years from 20 to 5760. Now we are seeing a PD rating. Once you know this journey, it becomes easier where to focus because you may not get a P expansion. If you get a P expansion, then you will get a market cap high. So market cap expansion. So all this thing you need to correlate. You go and check technical data. In technical data, you will be getting more or less whatever 200 days plus data. So what has happened? Somebody has like continuously on downfall when stock price came down. Someone has taken a 23x of amount delivery, 1200 crores. So why they are picking this particular business? Now it has moved to 4,600. So all these things, if you look at, you can decide. whether this company is good. This is not a recommendation. How to look at things step by step. Go and see their uh, LinkedIn page. Look at shareholding pattern. Understand that whether there is a crowd in a public holding. Earlier it was a 243, September it is 254, now it is 240. Now if you come at here, you will see that public shareholding is 32.91. Uh, institutions also is adding 3.28. So go and check that which other institutions are adding. HDFC mutual funds are adding. Earlier they have a 40 lakh shares, now they have 63 lakhs of shares. So all these things will like go and check and take little informed decisions, even if you are trading. Now we explain this that this is this much easy to go and select a sector. If you come and see, okay, fine, this is a mid cap next 50 is doing very good score. Now come on this. We have given a sectoral indices. You want to see that which sector is doing realty, auto, 10 stocks, 15 stock out of the 10 out of 10 is doing good. Money is flowing, auto is doing good. Okay, fine. Realty, what are the things are there? Loda, Shobha, Phoenix, all these things are doing good. Why they are doing good? All these things you find out. Festival seasons are coming, any booking, all these advances going on or not. So follow the market directions. Read things, no? If you follow market direction and if you want to complicate, if you think only of a particular stock, then it is not the right way to think. If you understand sector, what will you will do? You will read that sector all con calls. You'll have an idea. So follow the market signal, then follow the all leaders con call, annual report, what management is saying. You will have a more knowledge. Otherwise, people will come and sell you something, some indicators, some nonsense, all these things you will see in market. So this is giving a clear cut. What we are saying, we are not giving any gimmick to you. We are saying that what market is stating. None of the platform is giving in this way, and none of the because this is the way I think. So I'm late by maybe 5 6 years because we need right people to make it. So whenever we able to make it now with the right people, we made it possible. So every retail, everyone can actually correlate. Why RSI we have given, why P have given, because market runs on a short term, no valuation. An index valuation is very important. If- Suppose it is not about already I conveyed that when you are going and selecting and understanding the house rate of a particular area, it maybe 5,000 or 8,000 per square feet. But if it is, you are looking at Sachin Tendulkar's house rate, it may be something different. Yeah. So similarly, when you look at realty, the index P should be more or less same. Whether you are paying more P, you'll see here that earlier it was a 35 P. So you are little late over here. Already 66 days, this particular sector has seen some peak expansion. So you may wait for a retracement. Auto, you may feel, okay, no, festival season auto may pick up. So it is maybe at good valuation. So you may go and check all auto related stocks. You may say, okay, Hero, Maruti, these are giving. Fine. Similar way on a sector and stocks, if you come on custom index, you are seeing that different logistic, paid fare, diagnostic, like this is a season change. So all will be sick due to cough, cold, this, that, malaria, many other things are happening, no? So due to that, these are the sector which will do good. If you come on over here, you can see even here a score. which will help you to always know, navigate, first eliminate which are the things not to look at, which are very close to 20 EMA, what are very like too much extended, everything you will look at from here. Pate, if you go, you'll see that all recycling companies are doing fantastic. So if you look at, it is 121, 13, 3. So these are the two are doing fantastic compared to this, but it is less extended. I may prefer this particular stock to read further. And now if I just put, I can put on a watch list and it will be saved on a your watch list rather. And then you can go and write your note, whatever you are reading, whatever your advanced insight, understanding about a business. Collect information. Don't wait for someone to deliver information. Information delivery is not research. Collecting all information to understand the sector, that what exactly they are doing, why you need somebody else to explain what Gravita is doing. That helps you to understand. Then you go and somebody has, if someone has done some research on ChatGPT, you ask, no, take the summary, try to understand, but don't depend. You start your way of thinking, take a thing, collect information, do annual report, upload annual report, ask if you don't have a time, but you have a time, at least on Saturday, Sunday, give some 2 to 3 hours of time. So in this way, you can navigate like that which sector where you should look at. Now, if you come on a industry rotation, already explained all of you. In industry also, if you look at it is very easy. Again, a score, same. So we are getting realty, plastic products. Again, you will see that Gravitar, all these things. Astral, okay, sorry, it is a plastic product. That is what a weight or recycling. So Astral, Supreme Industry, Fin Pipe, all these things are there. Automobile, chemicals, all are giving no same signal to you. Now, if you come on a industry heat map, look at where inflow, again, where money is flowing, where price is up. Look at, you will see, okay, fine, these are the stock, no, advertising media is doing good. Yeah, it is giving, market giving you signal. Now you go on this, now put inflow, all. These are the sector, RK Swami, signpost, these are doing good. And if you 27% money is flowing, stock has moved 5 days, last 5 days, it has moved 5%. Signpost very high, but little extended. If you feel that, okay, no, this should be on your radar, or you will be studying, because it is not no getting a stock and jumping instantly on that. It is taking little bit of time. Pause. Think that why you should take, whether promoter is buying or not, whether any skin in the game is not. Like those things you need to go through. If you don't go through all this thing and the sweet spot of the our application, no, if you just come, you will get a daily all the simple scanner we have given. The way you want to change, you can change your own amount, RSI, delivery surge, whatever you want to give. We have given default. You can modify it. You want to select any industry, you can select that. After getting all these things, no, you can minimize. You can select, oh, I want to select some industry from a 10,000 to 20,000 or 1,000 to 5,000. It is completely your wish that you will be selecting it. Now come on a weekly breakout, change it, monthly breakout, select and see that Sumichem is coming. Score you can see, okay, 5D they are doing, which other companies are doing great score? Okay, fine, these are the company, Rights, Persistent, Zydus, Tibiotic, Zenser. They are doing fantastic score. Yeah. So market is giving some indication to you. You are getting everything over here, 5 day. whether it is too much extended, whether you are late or not. Now, if you want to see, 66 days also, uh, this is a stock. No, VWork has too much extended, so I may not look at over here. And if you want to see, no, I want to add delivery search. To add delivery search also, if you want to just check that this is a delivery search. So some data is coming, M&M finance is coming due to our wrong calculation. It will be removed. And if you look at Gensar, Sumichem, PC Jeweler, all these things are coming. Now it is up to you that where you should look at average amount inflow 5 day. Gensar is having high, Sumichem is having high, Aegis Logistic is having high. So you are getting on monthly breakout and with a very good volume. Easy to understand for everyone. And if you come on a oversold with volume, check. You want to check something, no, the which are coming. You can see KPI take. We have given RSI 0 to 30. You can change up from here 0 to 45 and you can see that where some delivery surge is happening. Now you can see market activity, high trade scan, everything. Now I don't want to drag that. Okay, fine. What are the scan we are having? Momentum scan, stock up, stock down, stock 20% up by 5 days. Every scan will be giving you fantastic picture to you. It will filter out. You can further filter out things. Top 100 scan will give you that these are the top 100 businesses which are doing good uh, as per the entire scenario, the data and everything. Now, if you want to select based on a 5 day score and based on a 22-day score, go and see MSTC, Genesis Power, all are good businesses. And this is not coming just for 1 or 2 days. These are coming, no, even if you look at a go and do back test, you will see SETL, it came on a 140-50 level. Now it is 282 in last 66 days. Card trading. It is not possible to capture everything. My point is that people say that it is very difficult. We don't understand what to select. Here I'm talking about it is very difficult to read everything because market will give you all the information to you, all the opportunity to make money. It is up to you which one you want to select. See, it's not you'll have to have a when to leave. No, first thing you need to learn. One is luck. If you believe that everything you want to capture, it is not possible. You need to prepare yourself. No random actions. To all my users, I'll be saying only one thing, no random actions. Do your homework, understand what companies are doing, take your call, then you take your actions. If you are not taking your actions properly, and if you're thinking by just looking at a filter, money flow, and this is the right way to do it, you may be successful in a bull market, but you'll be facing a lot of consequences in market. In market, anything can happen tomorrow. So connect data, also understand a business. So you have a like Genespor due to block deal, it came down 10-15%. If you're putting out 10-15% stop loss, your money gone. And again, after 2 days, it has gone up to 10-15%. So you need to have a understanding. Stop loss is a right way to manage your risk. At the same time, when gap up, gap down happen, no, it is not, you are not in a circus. So stop loss is an intraday game. Maintain that. But whenever you carry forward your position, you never know that whether that stop loss will trigger or you'll be putting and the stop loss will trigger and shoot up. No meaning of keeping all those stop loss. Understand the business. Understand the money flow. Generally, when money flow comes, it comes on a demand zone. And again, that there is a concept, the tennis ball effect, bounce. So whenever it will come, no, the strong hand will buy and again it will go up. Otherwise, it will be egg. So it will never bounce. If egg falls, it will never bounce. If it is a tennis ball, it will bounce. So it is a Mark Minervini's concept. So follow that. If it is strong, it will go up. Simple. Select right sector, right business where strong people will come. Hmm. So these are the thing. And a future scan, FNO scan. If you go, you can see that suppose I want to put this and I want to apply on 28th July, policy budget, CG powers, some kind of a trade activities are going on. Some amount surge is going on. Contract surge is going on. Price action is negative. So I may think of, okay, no, Alchem is doing good. Or I may go and check that, okay, fine, what is happening? Whether further I need to relook at the number of contract, whether I should go and check the fundamentals, do little bit of study on that. It is on a negative price trend because of this transformer related, China related competition, all these things, all these stocks are down. That may be an opportunity as well. So that you need to take care of. Derivative is all about taking your hedge properly. So this we conveyed about these four sections. FNO dashboard also we will be updating with option also. So you get a clear view. Now bundle section, if you come, you can select pure buy. That okay, fine. I just want to select something no, where only buy has happened. You want to select something no, where some market cap 1% plus deal has happened. That you can see and check all those business. There are multiple different way of scanning business. So I would suggest like explore all the enter website, try to understand what indication market is giving, where some smart players are buying, where some skin in the game is happening, where promoter is buying. Look at corporate filing. We have a high priority corporate filing. So go and check that which other company got a order. GK Energy, Oswald Palm, Shakti Palm. That it gives you, that idea about lot of lattice. So these are the companies that belongs to pump and water sector. So some tender was happening and now they are getting all those orders. And now if you want to check on, no, I want to check some preferential issue. So go and check preferential issue. You want to you can select this EPAC FAIR fundraising, Vaishali, Indothai, Pune, Wala, Ugrocap, why they are doing some commercial paper, different way of fundraising. Financial institution they will be doing from a city. So, or FCCB, different way they may do. Vimta Lab, Ether, engineering. So go and check that what is happening, ESOP, allotment and all is happening. Suppose company coming with acquisition, so you'll get all acquisition related information over here. So these are the things which we have given, explore it. We are continuously improving, and I feel that the entire idea behind it, I have explained you. If you focus, if you focus on more features, why I'm not getting this, why I'm not getting this, you are losing your focus. The focus should be being in a profitable side, being in a right side, being a right participant of the market. And that is why we build this platform. And in filter of stock, I forgot to convey that you can download and upload all this stock, no, whatever stock you are seeing. If you in one click you can download and you can upload on a trading view. Thank you, everyone.